So here is what is going on. Rico's medical appointment was canceled, and then they wanted to reschedule to November 18th. Ridiculous. We can't stay here that long. So we located another doctor, and we were supposed to go on Thursday and fill out paperwork and get him in the system. And we couldn't get the bus started. So it's Saturday, and we are sitting here still unable to get the bus started. I've reached out to a couple of local mechanics and have not heard back from them. I did post on some of the Nomad Facebook groups asking if there were any nomads in the area that could give us a ride into town to fill up propane and water and get ice for the coolers. Despite the fact that it's freezing, the ice still is melting. We've had the coolers with this particular ice since, I think, Tuesday, and it's Saturday. So that's about right. Still waiting to hear back from any of the mechanics. It's Saturday, so I probably won't hear back until Monday. And no clue what's wrong. The PTO throttle light came on after trying to start the bus multiple times. From what I've researched, this bus wouldn't have a PTO because that's something to do with pulling a trailer on these big semis. I also have a little bit of a antifreeze coolant leak. I think it's from one of the hoses. It doesn't seem to be coming from the radiator from what we could tell tracing the drip. I have a feeling it's a very inexpensive fix. We just need someone to look at it. And since we can't get it started, we can't take it to a mechanic shop. So that's what's going on. We've been having some really great meals. I am going to include some pictures of those meals. Rico is an excellent chef. Excellent. He is in town right now with one of the nomads in the area. Her name is Sushi, and she came to pick him up. And so he is in town in Salida, getting water, getting ice for the cooler, and filling up 2 of our 3 propane tanks. The other day it was snowing. Well, it's been snowing for several days, but today it's going to be up to 66. So it is warming up. Anyway, that's the update. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you guys later. I'll be sure to keep you updated and informed about the progress of fixing Fenix. Talk to you guys later. Peace. We are sitting in the bus watching the snowstorm come in. As you can see over there, very few snow clouds, and over here, nothing but snow clouds, and already the flakes are falling. You probably can't see them. And we tried to get the bus started today to take Rico to a doctor's appointment, and we could not get it started. So we are stranded here right now trying to figure things out. I just thought I'd show you guys the progression of a storm coming in. Quite interesting and frigid. Send warmth our way. We're very cold. This is what I woke up to this morning. That's on the inside of my window. Ice on the inside of my window. That is how cold it is here, folks. I am so ready to head south. Look, that window too. Ice on the inside. It's cold. It's really cold. Ready to head south. Hey again. A couple of things I forgot to tell you at the beginning of the video. One, I'm having some MS issues. I'm very foggy-headed, and my left eye, I can't really see out of it. It's very blurry, and I'm a little unsteady on my feet. So that is going on. Um, yeah, this brain fog. Oh, we got hot water bottles last time we were in town. And so every night after dinner, after the dishes are washed, we boil water and pour boiling water in these hot water bottles and then put them in between the sheets, one in my bed, one in Rico's bed. And that has really been keeping us warm at night. But when I have to get up to go to the bathroom or when we first get up in the morning, even though the buddy heater's been on all night, this bus is 38 feet long. So we don't have any real dividers. We have the divider for the bathroom, and of course we keep that closed. So that's 5 feet. So we're trying to warm 33 feet. And of course the curtains that are behind me now, those are closed, but you know. And it is so cold. Like you saw in the video with the ice on the windows, that's happened 3 mornings. And I'm really welcoming this warming trend. And I'm hopeful that we can get the bus repaired easily, cheaply, quickly, so we can get Rico to that doctor that we found. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead of you, and I hope that your life is going great. Despite all these problems, I really am not upset. I'm very positive. I believe the universe is going to take care of us because it always does. And so I'm in a really good place mentally and emotionally and spiritually. Physically, not so much. All right, guys, peace out.